Hey, welcome to English After Hours. I'm Alex. Alex Hale. This is our 21-day speaking series where every day you and I practice English together. No pressure. No complicated rules. Just real speaking. And in today's video, we are doing something different. For the next 7 minutes, you will not just listen. You will live inside a story and speak with me. This is not a lesson. This is real practice. As the story moves, you move with it. You speak, you feel, you respond. And slowly, your English becomes natural. So don't think too much. Don't try to be perfect. Just stay with me and speak with me. Let's begin. Last night, something strange happened. I was sitting alone in my room. It was quiet, almost too quiet. Then my phone lit up. A message. But I did not recognize the number. I opened it slowly. It said, "Start speaking. I am listening." I felt confused. Who sent this? I looked around, but no one was there. I typed back, "Who is this?" No reply. Just silence. I waited, but nothing came. I put my phone down, but my mind was not calm. Why would someone send this? Start speaking. Those words stayed in my head. After a few minutes, another message came. It said, "Say anything. Just start." I felt nervous. It was strange, but also interesting. I looked at my screen, then I looked at myself. I whispered, "Hello." My voice was low, slow, not confident. But I said it. Nothing happened. No reply. Then again, a message appeared. It said, "Good. Continue." Now my heart was beating faster. I sat straight and tried again. I am trying to speak. I am learning. I am improving. Each sentence was small, but real. The room was still quiet. But inside me, something was changing. I was not just thinking anymore. I was speaking. Again, the phone lit up. It said, "Don't stop." I smiled a little. This time, I didn't wait. I am not afraid. I can speak. I will keep going. My voice was clearer now, not perfect, but stronger. Minutes passed like this. I kept speaking. Simple sentences. Slow words. But I continued. Then suddenly, no more messages. Silence again. I looked at my phone. I checked the number. There was nothing. No name. No history. No trace. It felt strange. Was it real, or just my mind? I sat quietly, thinking. Then I opened my front camera. I looked at my face, and I understood. No one sent those messages. It was me. I needed that push. I needed someone to tell me. Start speaking. And I became that person, for myself. I smiled. Not because I was perfect, but because I started. And maybe that is all we need. Not perfect words. Not perfect grammar. Just a start. A voice. A small sentence. Because once you start speaking, you don't stop. And today, you didn't just listen. You spoke. And that changes everything. And maybe now you understand. No one is coming to tell you, start speaking. You have to become that voice, for yourself. Today, you didn't just listen to a story. You spoke. You responded. You stayed with it. And that matters more than you think. Because this is how confidence is built. Not in one day, but in small moments like this. If you continue like this, just a few minutes every day, you will not feel stuck anymore. You will start speaking naturally, calmly, without fear. And we will do this together. Every day, we will practice. We will improve. We will grow. Step by step, sentence by sentence, day by day. So stay consistent. Trust yourself and trust this process. Because you already have the ability. You just need to train it. If this helped you even a little, take a moment. Like this video and share it with someone who is also trying to improve. And if you want to keep building this habit with me, subscribe to the channel and come back tomorrow. Before you go, write this in the comments. I am building my speaking habit. Let that be your identity now. I'm Alex Hale, and this is English After Hours, where we don't just learn English, we speak it. Come back tomorrow. We continue this journey together.